Thomas, a 3-0 win here against Wales. What's the emotion? How do you sum that up from an England perspective?
I'm very happy with the first half performance and the result, of course. I think we could have been even more up than 3-0, but of course it was an excellent result. I stick with my verdict. It's a very well-drilled team. It's a difficult team to beat. It's a difficult team to beat in the way we beat them. It took a lot of effort. It took a lot of selfless work. We only had 1.5 days to prepare, and the full credit for my players. They did excellent.
If I could take you back to those first 20 minutes, the fact that you started the game with this relentless energy that you had, the two really early goals, and then Bukayo Saka doing what he does best. How pleasing was the opening part of the game?
Good, because it gives such a boost if you have a strong start, and we went after them. Like I said, it's not easy to totally shut them down, but we did with a lot of effort. And it was not only effort, it was a smart effort and with a lot of communication, a lot of selfless work. So I saw a very, very good team performance in the first 40 minutes. Could have been more up. No, it's amazing to score because it gives you belief. It gives you, of course, it has such a huge influence in the game, every goal. And that's why I'm very pleased.
The second half, Thomas, what did you learn about your team in those 45 minutes?
Well, the support was a bit flat today, to be honest, for us. I would have hoped for more energy and for more boost for our players. We had some chances then to score a fourth one and the fifth one. Try to re-energize then the team with 5 substitutes, 4 in one go. But yeah, like they had a lot of changes, we had a lot of changes, so the rhythm was a little bit gone. In the peak phases, we could create half chances. They had then also some chances, so it was okay. We did what was needed. I know what it takes to beat them so deserved, and that's why I'm happy with overall the performance.
And now focus, of course, turns to Latvia. A different test again, and an important job ahead of you and your players.
Very different, and of course we will now enjoy this feeling and the work and the effort. The boys have 1 day off, and then we meet again on Saturday to prepare for Tuesday. And yeah, we want to take the next 3 points in qualification. Very different approach. I think we will play against a low block, but we will put the right energy in, and I'm sure of it.
Good old low block. Thomas, thank you.